Welcome, and follow me is Honor 4X, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, you want to open up your settings app, so tap on the icon, and from there scroll all the way down to About Phone. And then you'll find your build number right here. So tap on that 7 times. If you have some kind of pattern or passcode on your device, you might need to confirm it before the developer options actually become enabled. But once you do, when you go back, you should find additional option right here called developer options. So now you can tap on it and you get access to all the developer options. Now, if you're not sure what any of those do here, probably for normal use options, I would consider these to be fairly decent: the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. Now, it looks like by default they already are changed to the first two to be half the speed and the animation duration scale to be just normal. But you can also change them to be even shorter by either completely removing them, setting them all to half, or you can also increase them. Other than that, if you're not really sure what you're doing here, I would refrain from actually changing all these switches because they actually might mess up with the phone. But yeah, that is basically how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.